In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate Australia Post with Shopify in 2025, so you can streamline your shipping process directly inside your store. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, whether you're just launching your first Shopify store or optimizing an existing one for faster and more reliable deliveries. First, open your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Then head straight to your Shopify admin dashboard, also known as your store's main control center. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Apps, then click on it to open your Apps section. This is where you can add powerful tools that improve how your store operates, especially when it comes to shipping and logistics. Next, at the top of the Apps page, click on the search bar and type in Australia Post, then press Enter to start the search. You'll see several app options appear that are designed to help with shipping and delivery. From this list, look specifically for the Australia Post My Post Business app, which is the official and most reliable option for Shopify users in Australia. Click on the app to open its details page, review the information, and then click the Install button to begin adding it to your store. Once you've completed the installation steps and approved any required permissions, return to the Apps section in your Shopify admin and open the Australia Post app you just installed. From here, you can start configuring your shipping settings, connect your Australia Post account, and customize how shipping rates and services are applied to your orders. After that, you should be able to manage Australia Post shipping directly from Shopify without any interruptions or manual work. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate Australia Post with your Shopify store easily and efficiently, giving both you and your customers a smoother shipping experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?